Hi everyone, this is Kevin Eikov. Today I am going to demonstrate and help you experience the Om sound. The Om sound is a universal sound that vibrates throughout the universe, and that's why this sound is so important. This sound is part of what's considered a bija mantra, that this vibrational sound is included in every single solitary sound there is. And that's why the Om sound tends to be so important. The Om sound is often used at the end of prayers, whether it be Christian, Muslim, Jewish, whatever. When you finish a prayer, you'll often say Amen. Today, I will be instructing on how to properly pronounce and say the vibrational sound of Om. It's more of a sound than a word. And so it's really pronounced Om, A-U-M. A-U-M is the sound. It's done in different parts of the mouth so that you hear different tonal vibrations. So Om, at the end of a prayer, Amen, is to say oneness. We're all joining in the prayer in oneness. So experience that oneness today and together as I utter the Om vibrational sound. And hopefully you'll feel connected to everyone in the whole universe. So I'll just briefly close my eyes. You'll see me fill my lungs completely and fully, like as if I was filling a water bottle from the base to the top. Once I fill completely and fully and established myself in the inner being inside, you will hear me utter the Om sound. And so here we go. Namaste, Jai Bhagwan. May you experience the light that lies within all. Amen.